Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in central London. Client gave us a privilege of redoing their canopy. The client is basically making their backyard a beautiful living space. So what we're going to do, you can see the framings down behind us, turned out beautiful. We're going to put a new 2-ply modified bitumen roof on there. Show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, so we've come up top. The framer's done a wonderful job. This is beautifully framed. We're ready to go. They gave us a 2% slope to the eavestrough on that end. That way this roof will not be holding water. We have an interesting detail here. It's a little tricky because this roof is well past its life cycle. So what we want to do, we want the water to be able to shed up and over. So we're going to tuck our new membrane underneath. Ultimately, this roof should get done, but right now this is what we're working with. And we also have a small little parapet fascia board we have to deal with. So right away, we're ready to go. We're going to prime this roof and put the base sheet on. Show you what it looks like. Thanks. Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. Great client. Again, they wanted to make their outdoor space livable, use more square footage. So a framer came in, did a wonderful job framing this, sloping it to the eavestrough. They're going to put a new eavestrough. We wanted to make sure it's watertight for the client. There we go. We put a new 2-ply modified bitumen. That roof is well past its life cycle. We had to come underneath it. So we had to bring our new membrane underneath so the water sheds up and over. This roof is due for a new re-roof, so in time maybe we'll get that one too. So there we go. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.